In this video, I'm featuring this wireless camera doorbell that was sent over to me to check out and make this video. I'm going to be giving you guys a brief overview of this doorbell and all the accessories that came with it. Then I'm going to show you guys some sample footage from it. Let's get into it. Let's start off with what comes in the box, because this here can be overwhelming at first glance. So obviously you're going to get your doorbell, very robust doorbell, guys. It does have a speaker and microphone for the person at the door to speak and listen. You got your call button and your camera. So think of this in two ways. You got mounting and powering. So they do give you the mount here and screws for mounting this all up so you can get it installed. You can charge this here one of three ways. They do give you a USB-C cable here for charging the internal battery through the USB-C port. One charge is going to get you about 180 days of continuous use. The second way that you can power this here is off of low voltage wiring for your existing doorbell. So these two ports here are where your low voltage wiring will go into. They do give you a couple pigtails here for wiring this up. You get the nuts and the wire nuts for putting this here onto that existing wiring. And the third way is on the solar panel. Basically put that right into your USB-C port and you've got year-round charging off of the sun. So three ways of powering this up and your mount, right? Then this here is what they call the base station. This here is basically your inside microphone and speaker. Somebody hits the doorbell, this is going to chime and you can speak to the person outside via the speaker and microphone on here. They can hear you. You can talk back and forth to make sure the person has good intentions before you open up your door. So that being said, guys, now let's flip over to the app so I can show you a little bit about the app as well as show you some of the footage off of the camera. All right, guys, so this here is the main interface of the app now. And as you can see, we got there the camera view and then all of your options. So can't go into all of the options here, but I'm going to give you guys a quick look at the camera view. So we're going to go into live video mode here now. And you can see that I'm standing in front of the camera. And so this here is basically the barrel view, the raw view from the camera. I'm going to go into the different views now. So this here is the VR mode. So I can basically rotate the camera around. Again, you can see 180 degrees up, down, and all the way down the hallway there. Now this here going to go into the horizontal view. So this here is camera corrected horizontal, and I'm standing literally, arm's length away from the doorbell right now. So this is pretty wide field of view. And then I'm going to go into the vertical view now. And as you can see, I've got a view of the doormat here. So if a delivery guy comes and puts a package in front of the door, I can look down and see the package right there at the door. If I'm away from the house, I'll know something's at the door. And then we're going to go back into just the raw view here now. So the other thing that you can do is view the recording. So these here are some of the recordings that I have that are stored in the cloud. They do give you 2 days of free cloud storage with the device. And so I can go up into here and basically view some of the video that's been stored in the doorbell there. So pretty robust app and a very versatile camera.